Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make Taiwanese popcorn chicken with fried basil seasoned with 5-spice powder. I'm sure everyone loves these crunchy chicken bites, a perfect appetizer for all occasions. I hope you like this video. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make Taiwanese chicken popcorn. Here I've got half a kilo chicken thigh and handful of Thai basil. Cut chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces like this. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of each finely chopped ginger and garlic, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Combine all these ingredients well, cover and keep aside. It has to marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add an egg white. Mix well. This will help bind the chicken while coating. To coat the chicken, you can use breadcrumbs, potato starch, or even panko breadcrumbs as well. To the breadcrumbs, add the marinated chicken pieces. Coat well. Oil should be nice and hot, 180 degrees Celsius. If your pan is small, fry them in 3-4 batches. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes to fry. When you fry the last batch of your chicken, just add a handful of basil leaves. Be very careful, oil might splash on you, so cover it with the lid for a few seconds. Fried basil leaves gives a wonderful aroma. It's so good. Now remove them from the oil. Let's season the fried chicken. I'm using half a teaspoon of each 5-spice powder, sugar, salt and roasted paprika. If you don't have 5-spice powder, I have given the ingredients. You can blend these and add half a teaspoon of this mix. This seasoning gives a mix of flavors, so mix it thoroughly. Quick and easy Taiwanese popcorn chicken with juicy chicken pieces, crispy coating and an aromatic basil leaves. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.